In the previous video, we have shown you how to create sitemap on WordPress for visitor and for search engines like Google. And in this video, we will show you how to submit our sitemaps for Google into Google Search Console. First, you can verify your sitemap's URL. After that, you can open your control panel, prepare this, and type Google Search Console. You can click about Google Search Console in here, and you can click Start Now. If you have website before, you can add properties by click this. Then, I suggest you to using this URL prefix to verify the domain owner. Then, you can select your main URL in here. Please download the file. This is for verifying. I put on desktop. Open your control panel or panel that include on your web server and put the verifying file on the root document of your website. This is my website documents, and I upload the file in here. After complete, you can verifying on Google Search Console. Now, you can click Done in here or go to Properties. Make sure this is your website URL. Then, you can click Sitemap on Index. Please enter your sitemaps. This is the file pattern. And then click Submit. This is maybe takes some times. You can click and sitemap success in here. You need to wait the Google index all your page. That's all.